Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sport. It comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as removable hardtop, aftermarket LED lights, steering wheel controls, cruise control, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with your mesh storage on the bottom, roll windows and manual locks. Moving on to the seats, you're going to have these manually adjustable jet black bucket seats. Quite comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents. Left side of the steering wheel, you're just going to have your step and reset, which is for the odometer here. It just says your average liters per 100 kilometers, as well as your 15 and your time. You're also going to have your cruise control on the right side here. No push to start. It's going to be that manual switch. You're going to have your air conditioning here. Or sorry, your dual zone climate. You're also going to have just the classic radio here that you have disc, aux, and AM/FM. You're also going to have hill descent control on the bottom with two 12-volt DC ports with some extra mesh storage. Your 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as you're just going to have the shifter, e-brake, and double operational center console with an extra 12-volt DC port in there. Passenger side, same finish, mainly adjustable. Removable hardtop. You're gonna have the grab handle with Bose speakers up top, and yeah, you're gonna have these 18-inch aluminum wheels on Bridgestone all-terrain tires. Your trail rated Sport Wrangler badging, paint match mirror caps, pink door handles. Got tint in the back here, as well as that extra spare tire with the tow hook. Open it up, you're gonna have the second row seating here. Once you flip that up, folds that down. Now you're gonna have a lot more storage back here with some extra storage down below as well. It's a pretty spacious rear. All right, let's move on to the rear. Fold the seat right up. And in the back here, you're just gonna have the 2-seater with speakers and lamps right above you and vents. Not a whole lot going on. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we had this quick review on this 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sport. It comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as cruise control, removable hardtop, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, LED aftermarket headlights, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.